Welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10, Bio, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's start. Reproduction. Reproduction is the production of a new generation of offspring. Two types of reproduction are asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, the new individual may be produced by a part of the old one. There is only one parent organism needed for asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction produces a new individual as a result of the fusion of two parental sex cells. These two cells come one from each individual of the same species. The cells are fused to form a single new organism. Adaptability. Living organisms are able to adjust and adapt themselves to changes in their external and internal environments. Adaptability increases the chances of species surviving and can result in the formation of a new species. For instance, a change of seasons or shortage of food may cause certain birds to migrate to another place where the conditions are more favorable. A plant may grow very straight and upright to stand above plants around it. This enables this plant or plant species to get enough sunlight to survive and even to dominate the environment. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.